Valentino's. I'm gonna show you guys what I get for my breakfast after my workout. So I'm just gonna go on a little shopping to get a few things which I need. Okay, I'm just buying 1 minute oats. I'm gonna use these to make my pancakes work. Now I need to get some eggs. Omega-3 eggs, and I have these two things. This is for my breakfast. Now I need to get myself some honey, because I am honey. I am sweet like honey. I put honey because honey is my syrup. So I put a little bit of honey, and I'm gonna get some fruit, and I put some fruit on it as well. The bags of fruits. Find some natural farm honey. Give me my fish. That's what it says. Okay. Okay. Okay, now let's go get some fruit. I have my mango, frozen mango, and I have my oats. Hang on, that's my shopping. Now I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna make this. The next time you see me cooking this up a storm, I'm gonna make my breakfast. This is what, as you see, what I got from the grocery store. So I got my eggs, my omega-3 eggs, then I got my oats and my fruits and some honey. So how I'm gonna do, how I'm gonna start it is I'm gonna grind up some oats. I'm gonna grind up some oats in here. Very simple to do. Then I can put some little bit of oil in the pan. And then I'm gonna get a bowl and I'm gonna mix the eggs with the oats because I need something to keep it sticking together. So I got my, in this meal here, I have my carbs and I have my proteins in this meal and my fats.
Baby, you can compromise. Baby, you can compromise. Playing on my upgrade, reminiscing about last week.
It's all mixed up.
Remember that we had a big fight.
And put one more egg in it. So I used 8 eggs so far, and I got my mango in here as well, frozen mango, which will melt. It's getting softer. So this is what you want it to look like. I'm gonna mix it up. It's all done mixed. I'm gonna start cooking it. Only thing is, I don't have any oil, and I don't keep any butter in the house, so I can't even use butter. So this should be a non-stick pan, so I'm not gonna put nothing on it, and let's test it and let's see what happens. So when they're cooking this, you have to wait till you start seeing like little bubbles on top before you flip it. Let's see how this is gonna work, because this should be a non-stick pan, but I have no oil, no butter, anything in it. So the only things I'm using here, A little bit of honey on top. Just like that. And there is my meal.
Maybe you can compromise. Maybe you can compromise. Maybe you can compromise. Maybe you can compromise.
All done. Did a good job. I say myself. So please like and subscribe. If you like what you're saying, make sure you turn on that notification button above and leave your comments below. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy this meal as much as I did.
Playing on my upright, reminiscing about last week. Remember that we had a big fight. Maybe words didn't come out right. I wish that I was sober, and I wish that I could call her.